What is order by class? Just I am asking about order by class.
Order by, you can just sort in ascending or descending order, sir.
Sort ascending or descending order. You can sort the data on single PC or multiple PC, single column
Multiple.
or multiple columns, right? Combination of the columns. So sort
Yeah.
criteria can be either single column or multiple columns.
Yeah.
Okay. So sometimes when you sort the data on single column, it will be sometimes improper because duplication of the values in the column, right? So at that time, we will be mentioned first sort criteria, second sort criteria, third sort criteria, and so on. So multiple sort criteria we do have. So in Informatica, sorter transformation absolutely for arranging data in sorting order. Here you can select either single key as a sort key or multiple keys as sort keys. Those are the criteria for arranging data in sorting order. So observe here, the sorter transformation behavior in Informatica absolutely like order by class in SQL. Okay. So anyhow, today also I'm doing almost yesterday's kind of task. So here I have Scott user in my database. So here I have EMP table. So here, this is the employee data I have. This is going to be my source. And in this system, in my virtual machine, I have C drive. In C drive, I'm creating a folder. Sushma, one folder I'm creating. Okay. So I want to load the data into that folder, a flat file. Now I connected. Here I am creating one folder. Just let me go to, yeah. Here I have seen one folder. Sorry, let me go with a new folder for you. Already this environment setup we understand in the previous classes, but just in my system I am creating one folder for you. So Nitish is the folder name I am creating. So here Nitish one folder, new folder is created, right? I'm making this Nitish folder is active folder. So I have source analyzer, target designer, transformation developer, maplet designer, mapping designer. Rohit and Nitish. Following? So what should I do now? Hello, can you hear me? Rohit and Nitish, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. So here we are going to import the source. Go to the sources menu, click on import from database. Here go to Oracle DSN, enter the username Scott, password Tiger, click on connect. Scott, COTT, sorry. So password is Tiger, click on connect. Here I connected to Scott schema. Select the table EMP, click on OK. The EMP table source definition is imported into Informatica. This you know, Rohit and Nitish, right? And as well, we have to prepare our target definition. Okay? So yesterday's class, last session, we prepared our target definition, that is just manually created. So manually creating a blank target definition, edit each and every column, looks like little hard work, right? Do you think so? Rohit, Nitish? So today we will see one easy mechanism, easy way of preparing the target definition, which is highly close to the source definition. See, go to the target designer. In the target designer, it is blank. Nothing is there in the target. So here, as per this example, the situation is the target definition structure and source definition structure both are similar, right? So here expand the sources folder. Under sources folder you are able to see source definition. Just drag and drop into the target designer. What you are doing here, you are dragging and dropping the source definition into target designer. You are dragging and dropping your source definition into target designer. Means you are copying the source definition, preparing the target definition, that is copy of the source definition. Are you clear? Please respond, Rohit.
Yes, 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 yes.
So just I want to change it. It is copy of the source definition. So here my target definition also Oracle target definition. So double click on it. Here you rename it. EMP sorted output. This is the name of the target. EMP sorted output is name of the target. This is not Oracle database. I am expecting flat file. So here database type you select flat file. So it is a delimited flat file. Click on advanced. Here default delimiter is comma. Here I am expecting text values and date values enclosed within double quotes. Click on OK. Then go to the columns. See all the columns: employee number, employee name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number. And here employee name I am increasing length, job I am increasing length, everything is okay. Click on apply and okay. Now your flat file, delimited flat file target definition is ready. Now your source definition is ready, as well target definition is also ready, right? Clear? Now next point, I have to prepare my mapping. Go to the mapping designer, go to the mapping designer, go to the mappings menu, click on create, enter name of the mapping, MAP underscore sorter underscore filter. This is name of the mapping. Click on OK. Drag and drop the source definition. So whenever you drag and drop the source definition, you will get source definition and a source qualifier both. This already you know, right? Now what I want to do in this example, I want to extract data from the source and arrange the data in sorting order. So sorter transformation I have to use. Arrange the data in sorting order. So sorter transformation I have to use. So go to the transformation menu. Click on create. So create a transformation dialog appears. So here you see list of the transformations, various types of transformations available here. In this I want to work with sorter transformation. So select sorter transformation. Give name of the sorter transformation emp data underscore sort. Click on create. Click on done. So a new blank sorter transformation is created with the name emp data sort. This is the sorter transformation. Just locate the sorter transformation beside the source qualifier. Okay. Now sorter transformation is blank. Now I want to take all these columns into sorter transformation. Employee number I am taking into drag and drop into sorter. Employee name drag and drop into sorter. Job drag and drop into sorter. MGR drag and drop into sorter. Hire date drag and drop. Salary drag and drop. Commission drag and drop. Department number drag and drop. Now all the ports now located in sorter transformation, right? Very clear? Now you double click on the sorter transformation. Here are the ports. Here you see employee number, employee name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number. These all are the ports in the sorter transformation. This is the data type precision scale. I represents input ports, O represents output ports, right? So just the sorter transformation is located. All the columns are taken into sorter transformation. Okay. Now you drag and drop the target. Select the target, drag and drop the target. So select all the columns from the sorter. Connect one by one port, all the ports appropriately. Employee number is connected to employee number in the target. E-name is connected to E-name in the target. Job connected to job in the target. MGR connected to MGR in the target. Hire date connected to hire date in the target. Salary connected to salary. Commission connected to commission. Department number connected to department number. Now sorter transformation is taken in the mapping. Ports are traveling through the sorter transformation. But just I have taken sorter transformation, I have not configured the sorter transformation. Are you okay? Go ahead, Nitish. Hello? If you does not configure the sorter transformation, no use. So here we have to configure the sorter transformation. Double click on the sorter transformation. Go to the ports. Here you have port name, data type, precision scale, input port and output port. Apart from this, one more you have, that is key. This is what key port, right? In this example, I want to consider department number is descending order. So my first sort criteria is department number. Department number is descending order. In case department number is duplicating, my second sort criteria is job. So job is ascending order. In case combination of department number job both are duplicating, my third sort criteria is e-name. E-name is ascending order. Like this you can specify the sort keys. So what I am expecting now, I am expecting department number is first sort key, Job is second sort key, ename is third sort key. That's why I have selected these three are sort keys. First sort criteria, department number. Second sort criteria, job. Third sort criteria, ename. This is what I felt and I am expecting. But how Informatica does understand this means these are the columns, list of the columns, 8 columns available, 8 ports available. Out of these 8 ports, which one occurs first? Ename occurs first. That's why ename is the first sort criteria. Job occurs next. That's why job is the second sort criteria. DEPTNO occurs next. So department number is the third sort criteria. Okay, like this. So this is how Informatica understanding. So what I am expecting, what Informatica understand, there is difference. There is a lot huge difference. So what I have to do is I have to change location. So here department number, locate first, then job, then ename. Now you see department number is first sort criteria, job is second sort criteria, ename is third sort criteria. This is how you can configure your sorter transformation to arrange data in sorting order. Click on apply and OK. Your mapping is ready. Go to repository and save. The mapping is got saved. Then go to workflow manager. All of you clear about mapping and sorter transformation, configuring the sorter transformation? Nitish, Rohit?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So next I have to create a session. So here I opened my workflow manager. In the workflow manager, Nitish folder is the active folder. So here I want to create a task session. So be in the task developer, then go to tasks menu, click on create, enter name of the task session, task is session, enter name of the task SES underscore sorter underscore filter, click on create. So select the corresponding mapping, click on OK. The session is created, click on done. Double click on this session, go to the mappings tab, select the source. Source is a relational source, that's why relational reader it is working with. Here since it is a relational source, you have to specify relational connection. So here click on edit button. So here go to the relational connection browser, select Oracle connection object, select Oracle start connection, click on OK. This is a connection object you have to select. Then target. Target is a flat file. That's why it is working with file writer. So no connection here. So here you specify the path. The path is output file directory. Where you want to locate your output file, Sushma folder, right? Copy C drive Sushma folder. The path of the output file directory you can specify here. Then output file name emp sorted output dot txt. This is the name of the file. So file path, the location of the file and name of the file, both I have specified. This is the sorter transformation, nothing to configure at the session level. Click on apply and OK. Your session is ready. Right click on the session, validate the session. Go to the workflow designer, go to the workflows menu, click on create. Enter name of the workflow, create a workflow. So WF underscore sorter underscore filter. Click on OK. Drag and drop this session into workflow. Go to the task, select link task and connect them. So now go to the workflow, validate the workflow. Go to the repository, save it. Okay. This is how workflow is ready. Now you want to run the workflow. Go to workflows menu, click on start workflow. It will open the workflow manager monitor and you can monitor, you can observe the status. You see here, this is the session, this is the workflow, it is running and succeeded. Here if you double click on this session, you will see this information here. So sources, target, statistics you can see. 14 records are extracted from the source, 14 records are loaded into the target. Now you see the target location Sushma folder. The EMP sorted output file is created. Double click on the file. See here. So first all the 30th department records, descending order, department number descending order. Next all the 20th department records. Next all the 10th department records. So on the department number it is in descending order. But if you concentrate on exclusively the particular department, 30th department, see clerk, manager, salesman. So this is a job ascending order. If you concentrate again, that department number 30, designation salesman, both are duplicating. Combination duplicates are there. So here third sort criteria, Alan, Martin, Turner, Ward. Like this it arranged the data. You just look into the 20th department. In 20th department, you have analyst, clerk, manager. Two analysts are there. Within the 20th department analyst, Ford Scott. Within the 20th department clerk, Adam Smith. So here this is an ascending order, right? This is how the sorter transformation can arrange data in sorting order. All of you clear? Rohit?
Yes.
Yeah. So both of you understand about sorter transformation.
Mm-hmm.
Any questions? Now, not only sorting the data, I want to filter the data. Okay, I don't want all the data, I want filtering the data. So here I want to take filter transformation. So in SQL, you people know about where clause condition, right? Do you know about where clause condition in SQL? Rohit, Nitish, what is where clause in SQL? Rohit,
It is used to specify the condition.
it's used to specify the condition. What happens if you apply where clause condition SQL query? What happens if you apply where clause condition in SQL query?
But uh, to fetch the data.
It will fetch the data, it will fetch the records. Those are satisfying the condition only, right?
Yeah.
It's not giving you all the records. It is giving you the records. Those are especially satisfying the condition. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So here where clause condition is helpful for filtering the data or not?
Yes.
Getting the data what exactly we required or not?
Mm-hmm.
So similarly here filter transformation behavior is similar to where clause condition SQL. See here I am maintaining a gap after the sorter and target. So here I am removing these all links. So I have taken source. After the source, I have taken sorter transformation. I configured sorter transformation. And also I am using filter transformation here, right?
Yes.
Go to the mappings menu, go to the transformation menu, click on create. Create a filter transformation. Select a filter here in the create transformation dialog. Expand list of the transformations. Here you select filter transformation. Okay. I'm giving name for the transformation, that is EMP underscore data underscore filter. Click on create, click on done. So from the sorter transformation, I am taking all the columns into the filter. Let's see, columns order is little different. In the filter transformation, I am adjusting the order of the columns, department number at the last. Of course, even though you are keeping like that and connecting appropriately, that's okay, fine. So this is filter transformation I took. From the filter, all the columns are connected to target. Now I have taken filter transformation, I have taken all the columns into filter transformation, connected the ports from the filter transformation, but still filter transformation is not configured, right? Now double click on the filter transformation, go to the properties, here see the filter condition. Double click on the filter transformation, edit transformations dialog appears. In this, you can see transformation name, what kind of transformation it is, see the ports, these all are the ports, port name, data type, precision, scale, input, output, properties. In the properties, you have a property that is filter condition, right? Here you edit the filter condition, select the property value, click on edit. Here expression editor dialog appears to you. Here you can edit your filter condition. See, go to the ports tab. In the ports tab you are able to see all the columns. Select the columns DUPTNO is equal to 30. This is the filter condition I specified. Click on validate and OK. So this is filter transformation. This is how to configure filter transformation. Finally, go to repository and save the mapping. Mapping is got saved. So are you clear about filter transformation? How to create filter transformation and how to configure the filter transformation, specify the filter condition? Understand? Go ahead, Nitish. Be interactive.
Sir?
అర్థమైందా?
Yeah, అర్థమైంది.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you following or are you doing some other activity? No one is responding.
No, sir. No, I'm following, sir.
Okay. Nitish. Okay. So now go to repository and save it. It is already saved. Now you see, for this mapping, the session is already created. After creating the session, we modified the mapping, right? So what you can do here is, go to the workflow manager, select the session, right click on refresh mapping. Now the mapping, modified mapping will be refreshed in the session. Now validate. Of course, you need to take care of source connection. Source connection is already proper. Target connection is also there. Your target directory and the target file name. So here I am just changing the name, that is EMP, name of the file I am changing, EMP30 data. This is the name of the file I am giving. Click on OK. Now your session is ready. Go to the workflow, validate the workflow, go to the repository, save it. Go to the repository, save it. Now go to the workflow, start workflow. Observe the execution status in the workflow monitor. So here 14 records are extracted from the source. Only 6 records are loaded into target. Okay? Are you clear? Now go to the Sushma folder, see EMP30 data, only 30th department records you are able to see. Here within the 30th department, job is in ascending order, clerk, manager, salesman. Then within the salesman, the e-name is in ascending order, right? So sorting of the data is applied, as well it is filtered the data. Like this, any condition you can apply and you can filter the data. This is filter transformation. All of you clear about filter transformation and how to configure the filter transformation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I believe Rohit's system is ready. What's about Nitish's system? What happened, Nitish? Are you sleeping or what?